Hey everyone, welcome back. Well today, yes, I know it's been a little while since I've done a tutorial on how to build something, but I've been busy doing other stuff. But first and foremost, I need everyone out there to please hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. I'm going to build a wooden shelf out of what you see here, a pallet. Well, what's left of it. Well, when it's done, if you guys can see this, it's going to look like that. And it's going to say how to tell time. Coffee for the morning with the coffee mugs. And then PM for the wine glasses and wine and whatever you want to drink. So obviously it's for adults. But hey, make it whatever you want. So these are really, really easy to build. They're not hard. You can get a pallet anywhere. I got this one from Harbor Freight. It's nearby where I live. Harbor Freight will give you them if you ask for them. Don't just take them. Stealing is bad. If you ask them, they're more than happy to give you one, or there's plenty of places that will give you one for free. They've always been gracious to me. Every time I ask them for one, whatever one I need, they always give me it. So, all I did was, I pretty much just cut it in half, one of the boards on the other end. I took it and put it on the back of it so it has somewhere to anchor to when you screw it to your wall, or hang it, or whatever you want to place it. Then this bottom board, as you can see, it's as simple. You just put the hooks right there for the coffee mugs. I notched it really fast for the wine glasses. This will get mounted onto the bottom. Okay? And the screws I like to use, everybody knows this, I use these guys. Why? Because they bite into everything and they don't break real easy and they're coated. And I only need 2 of them. But with these screws, you need to drill a pilot hole. Because if you don't, you will blow apart the wood. Trust me, it's not hard to do. I've done it. You just get it in place, like so. What I'll do is just to get it there really fast, I'll take my nail gun here, even though I need my battery really fast, but that's no big deal. Just to get it into place, I drill my pile of holes. I know most people are probably yelling at me going, okay, why didn't you just do that in the first place? Well, there we go. Line it up. I know everyone's saying, just nail it together. Now when you got weight on it, I like to put a couple of screws in there and make sure it's not going to come apart on me. So I'm going to put a pilot hole. Take one of my screws. I like to sink these a little flush, so this way they don't. Don't try and sink them too far because you'll ruin the whole idea of what you're trying to do. I don't know, this will be kind of a short video. Little pilot hole. Just screw in there. Sink it in. I don't try and ram them in there too far because you will break that wood. Put a couple nails in there just to make sure. I love this nail gun. It's really, really good to me. But always make sure you sink them right. Couple more in there just in case. That's done. Now, to get that color, what I'm going to wind up doing is, let me wipe this off. This is the color I use for min wax. unfortunately, for this one, I know it looked crappy, but this is the color I'm going to use. But I'm going to take some of it out of the container and I'm going to mix it with clear. So this way I get that lighter tone, and I'm not using too much of this because it makes it a little bit easier. Yes, you can buy it where you get the stain and clear together, but why spend an extra 10 bucks or so if you don't have to, if you already have it? Yes, you can mix it. I've done it before. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Get everything out of here and show you guys what this is going to look like before it gets stained. Because I'm sure nobody wants to watch me stain it, and it's going to be a little boring to watch that. And I don't have the editing tools to speed it up. So this is what you have. Quick, easy. Let's say how to tell time on the top, AM and PM on the bottom. You got your hooks. You got your little things cut out, your little slots. And you just mount it to the wall. So this will be part one. Tomorrow I'll show you the other half after I got it stained and I had the lettering on it, which you can buy from Hobby Lobby. They always have 50% off on everything all the time. I got the letters that are stick-on. They're the same style that, you know, a friend of mine wants. They were $5, and there's a whole different bunch of them in there, and they're 2 different styles. So you got plenty of letters to use. You know, I have a whole bunch more. Use them in the future, or if not, throw them out, whatever you want to do. Till then, thank you guys for watching. Take care.